From the History tab, navigate to the clip you are wanting to download footage from in your camera's history. Once you are on the clip, click if you would like to share or download either an inside or outside video clip. After scrubbing to your desired point on the timeline, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. This pops up a menu that allows you to save a clip starting from your point on the timeline for either 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes. After you see the clip saved successfully message, hit back to navigate to your history and use the toggle in the top right to filter by marked clips. You will then click into your saved clip and tap the share icon at the top of the screen. This prompts a pop-up that will give the option to share, download to your device, or create an Owlcam crash report.